piece of steak might just look like food, but to a mathematician, it's a fluid-saturated matrix of elastic proteins. A study in EPJ+, covered by Springer, did mathematical models of cooking meat. According to their research, meat is much more complicated than other solids. Its cooking process has actually been hard to simulate with computers, because the moisture-rich proteins in meat undergo so many changes. If you've ever seen a steak shrink in the oven, you're familiar with the physical transformation of cooking meat. According to E. Howe, it loses 15 to 30% of its original weight on average. Inside the steak, two things are happening. Heated fluid is moving around, which reshapes the matrix of protein molecules. And once these proteins are rearranged, it forces the fluids to start moving in new ways. A team of mathematicians led at James Madison University derived equations about how the laws of physics would act on polymers mixed with liquid, and then compared their final model for meat with real pieces of steak. This could help societies plan for better meat storage and cooking, and less waste.